Notwithstanding a couple of exemptions, most bicycles accompany traditionalist stripped styling from the producer, and the idea of individualizing your bike to have its very own character is just developing. You need your machine to be an expansion of your identity, and with small tinkering it isn't that troublesome either. Also, you need your bicycle to be special, to get saw and leave an enduring impact on everybody. We set up together 6 changes that give a total new look to your bike. 1. Wheels. Try not to like the stock wheels. Move up the composites for your bike. Amalgams will quickly get everybody to see your bicycle, while not adding excessively dramatization to it. You can decide on 5-talked, 10-talked or 12-talked combinations in dark or chrome, or can have them painted in any shading you need. Search for marked ones. However, you will discover a great deal of fakes in the market which do not have the inflexibility required and are inclined to earn back the original investment and a little impact. You can likewise change your tires, if the stock ones are insufficient, relying upon your utilization. You have brands like Michelin, C, MRF, Opolo, all giving specific tires to rough terrain and track utilize. 2. Lights. Updating your headlights is the most effortless and economical change you can do on your cruiser. You can move up to bi-xenon lights, HIDs, or add heavenly attendant lights to your front lamp. This update now and again might be even fundamental, as it includes perceivability to street, particularly for long separation riders. For those needing to include a touch of style, LED strips close to the motor isn't an awful thought. There are specific units accessible for each bike in the market. Ensure you have the redesign done by the expert, and don't aggravate the OEM wiring if the bike is under guarantee. 3. Depletes. Presently, you can totally update your debilitates for adding more energy to your motor, or simply change the silencer for better solid. You can have a totally new free-stream deplete framework if execution is your worry, or have the end muffler be able to change for testful esteem. You get short suppressors and long suppressors with host of hues to look over. Imperial Enfield proprietors will think about the plenty of silencers accessible in the open market for their bicycles. 4. Paint job. You can have your cruiser modified to your scale with the paint work. Have your bicycle artificially glamorized, painted in matte or go finish chrome. The decision is yours. In any case, you do need to recall that changing the shade of your bicycle additionally should be refreshed in the RCE and is required. You can likewise have your cruiser wrapped in vinyl for a modest yet engaging look. 5. Fairing. Your bicycle doesn't appear to be sufficiently cool? Try not to stress, you can add a fairing to it at a higher cost. You get custom fabricated fairings for bicycles and can have intended to suit your bicycle. This is the nearest you can get your bicycle to resemble your fantasy R1 or the Hayabusa. There are no genuine advantages of having a full fairing on your bicycle yet, beyond any doubt adds to the general interest. You can likewise go for half fairing like the one on Yamaha Phaser if an entire fairing isn't your right. For the individuals who need their bicycles to look clean and mean, you can shed of the stock fairing at no cost by any stretch of the imagination. 6. Finish custom. So you have a huge amount of cash and would prefer not to spend on purchasing something stock. Have your bicycle totally modified to your tastes. With numerous custom bicycle shops opening up, you have part of spots to look over who will give you a unique outline and a rebel bicycle. You can have your bicycle work as a bistro racer, super games bicycle, cruiser, chopper. The conceivable outcomes are unfathomable. Creative ability is your point of confinement. So on the off chance that you had that American chopper dream, this is the ideal opportunity to put it all on the line. In all cases, ensure none of the adjustments make the bicycle unlawful for use on street. On the off chance that introducing HID or bi-xenons, ensure that you don't visually impair the approaching activity. While some may evacuate it for the cool remainder, side mirrors assume an essential part and is a security segment. For the execution nuts, you can include a turbocharger, change the air channel, or increment the extent of the stroke and bore, and considerably more.